Hello friends, welcome to Commerce and Excel App. In this video, I am going to show you a template which is created for my friend. Okay, and now we are going to see what is the actual requirement to create this template. Okay, so let me go to the shared folder. So here we have month-wise folder. So in each month we have few Excel files. Okay, and outside we have one consolidated template. Okay, let me open this Excel file and it contains some information. Okay, so now I'm going to open the source file which is available in month folder. Let me open the first source file. Okay, so this is the source file for us. Keep it to the right, and towards left I'm going to open the consolidated template. Okay, so the requirement is we need to copy this data from the source file and simply copy paste at the bottom. Okay, so just it is consolidating all the source file data into the consolidated template, and then we need to pick up the source file name and also the folder name in which this source file is saved, and join together the two text and update in column A for each line item of this data. Okay, so now I'm going to close this source file and the consolidated template. Okay, so here this is a macro which is going to automate this process, and at the end we are going to just look at the VBA code which I have written for this requirement. Okay, so first, to run this macro in cell A2 we need to update the folder path. Okay, so the folder path should be on the all the top of these subfolders. Okay, because we need to loop into each subfolder and then again we need to loop into each Excel file. Okay, so here we need to update the start month date and end month date. Okay, so this should be updated in Indian date format, first day and then month and then year. Okay, same thing for end month date as well. So if we don't update start month and end month, by default macro will consider month as January, and for nth month it will consider as current month. Okay, so in this case if I go to the folder I have data only from January to April. Okay, so I'm going to run from January, okay, to April. Okay, so here we can see the dates got updated, and it says 4 times it should loop within the subfolders for each month. Okay, if you have a different format of folder name, for example here the folder name is month number and there is an hyphen and then month name. Okay, so if you have a different folder name format, so I have given three formats. So this table explains the three format. So this is the format currently which we have, and if you have a different format you can use this way, and if you have this format you can use this way as well. So simply you can change the format over here. Okay, and let me keep like this, and here we need to update the consolidated template file name in which we need to append the data. Okay, so now I'm going to simply click this button to consolidate the data. Okay, so let me click on this one. So now we can see the macro is executing and it is updating the consolidated template. We can see each file is getting opened and updating the data and getting closed again. So files consolidation completed. Okay, so let us go and check the consolidated template now. Okay, so we can see it has April data, March data, and February data, and January data. Okay, so this is the old data which already it has, and this is the new data which we have added just now with the help of macro. Okay, so this macro is working fine. Now let us check the VBA code. Okay, I'm going to open the VBA window, Alt F11. So I'm not going to tell you each line now. So just I'm going to brief you the sections of this macro. So these are the variables declared, and here I have given the path, and then it is creating the start date dynamically. So here we are just adding values to the variables, and then so here the loop starts for the month folders. Okay, and here the loop starts for each file within the month folder. Okay, and this is a check where it will check whether this file data is already in the consolidated template or not. If it is not there, then it will proceed to open the source file and update the information. If already the data is available in the consolidated template, and simply it's going to skip to update the information in consolidated template because it already contains the data, then it's going to open the next file in the folder. Okay, so once all the files and subfolders are completed, then we are going to save the consolidated template and then close this consolidated template, and then we are going to get this message, files consolidation is completed. Okay, so this is a backend VBA code for this macro, and if you have a similar kind of a requirement, so simply you can download this workbook from the link available in the description, and you can make changes as per your exact requirement and you can use it. Okay, I hope this video will help you in your day-to-day Excel work. So if you like this video, please give me a like, share and comment. And for more Excel updates, please subscribe to my channel Commerce and Excel Hub. And you can also visit my website www.comexcelhub.com. Thank you.